Well, good day. It's good to see everybody. It's Jack Boyles, Steam Engines USA, and I promised a while back that I would show how a Jensen 50, this is number 4, and I picked it up on October 31st, Halloween at Jensen, brought it home, and it's been packed up until then. Today's February, we're into February now, so I'm going to unbox this thing. When we picked it up, they just taped it over. So push that down, and obviously I'm going to save this box, but as you open it up, when you unpack it, you've got your Jensen 50 Deluxe Power Plant Owner's Manual. It's got all your information inside. Just gives you a good overall operation manual for the Jensen 50. So I'm going to set that aside right there, and then I'm going to take some of this packing paper out. It's like Christmas. I know everybody that's ever wanted to own a Jensen 50, this is for you. So as you open it up and start unpacking, you start seeing the top there. Look at that. Big old Jensen 50 boiler. You see the big smokestack down here. You've got a packet in here. It's got all your little accessories to go with your Jensen 50. Set that down. They do a very good job packing as well. I remember when I picked up number 3, I was at the factory with some good friends of mine, Howard and Tom. They were picking up numbers 1 and 2. Or excuse me, I picked up number 4. One of the engines I know was going overseas, and so there was a concern about packing, how to pack these so that they would survive the trip across the ocean. So there you have it. You get it completely unpacked. I'm going to go ahead and remove it, set it out on the table, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I'm back now. I've got it unpackaged, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful piece of work. Andy, Tom, Dorita at Jensen, they did a fantastic job. Just top-notch individuals. Love them to death. Great folks. There's the smokestack. I'm going to place that on there. And as you can see, when Andy was working on it, he identified this one. So that one's Jack. And then another pretty neat thing that these guys did for me. I asked them when they were building it if they would sign it, and so you spin this around and you raise it up very carefully. You got I got their names on there: Andy, Tom, Dorita, number 4. So you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. This Jensen is beautiful. Go ahead and put this up here. And there you have it. I was unpacking some things today, as you can see over there in the corner, and I said, you know what? Time to just go ahead and break it on out of the box. I'm working on a cabinet and an area to keep this, but until then, there you have it. So as always, Steam Engines USA. Check us out online, internet, eBay, Facebook. Want to get some model steam engine oil? There you have it. So just excellent job, Andy. You did a fantastic job, my friend. Dorita and Tom, thank you so much. Tom Jr., the Jensen family, thank you. I'll be firing this up pretty soon. So, I don't know. Jensen 50, number 4. There you have it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.